Hi guys, and welcome to our room tour of the Hilton Orlando Buena Vista Palace. We're in room 550. So as you come in, you're greeted by this kind of like bit of a lobby area, a bit of like a hallway area. It's got a lovely picture on the wall. Then over here, just ignore our luggage as we are checking out. I think over here you can have like an adjoining room. So if you wanted like a lock-off kind of room, then that is available at this hotel. As we move over here, we've got the TV. We've got a set of 3 drawers, which all come with a Holy Bible. Over here we've got like a Disney resort area, Disney Springs hotels, greetings guide, and under here we've got a menu, an in-room dining menu. And that's got a selection of things inside it. And you've got the television remotes. Then down here you have a fridge. There's the fridge. And then above it you've got a safe. Moving on over to here, each room comes with 4 glasses. One's just over there because it's being used, a coffee machine. All rooms come with a selection of coffees including decaf, sugar and sweetener. Here's a lovely lamp over here, and also under here you've got like an extra table and obviously a bin and like a desk chair kind of thing. Moving on over to the corner, you've got a sofa area with a lovely table and 2 stool things, like if you wanted to have breakfast here or something like that, it's just really handy to have that. Moving on round the room, this is the bed. It's quite a large size bed. I think they're a queen bed, but they're definitely bigger than a standard English queen bed. And then they've got our favourite end of the bed. If you've watched any of our other room tours, I love these things at the end of the bed. I think they're really handy. I don't know what they're called, but I really like them. Then each side of the bed you've got 2 bedside tables, and on one there's a phone and an alarm clock. And then each come with like a bedside lamp. And then again you've got a lovely detail up here, and then there's a lovely picture over there, and a lamp. Okay, moving on through to the bathroom. So this comes as 2 rooms. You've got, first of all, as you come in, you've got a sink area here, and that comes with a soap. Up here we also got, these are extra soaps. Each day you get new things. We also got a shampoo, a conditioner, and a body lotion, and a shower cap. And there's also tissues down here as well. Every room comes with a hairdryer and a very good supply of towels. So as you come through here, this is like a separate area. It's lovely. You get a lovely picture on the wall, and you've got the toilet down here. This is usually full of towels as well, this towel rail. And then over here you have the shower, which is quite a large shower. Just open it up so you can see inside. Just ignore the towels, as I said we are checking out. That is the shower area. It's a really good shower. Yeah, really enjoy showering. Really good power shower. And then lastly, back into this space again, you have a lovely wardrobe area, which comes with hangers, an extra light blanket if you get cold, a luggage rack thing, a ironing board, and an iron, and a lovely full length mirror. Make sure you look great in the mornings. Now lastly, moving on through to the balcony area. I'll just open this up. Here comes the sunshine. It's a lovely day today. Yeah, just this is the balcony area, which is really nice. So we've got just a standard room with a resort view. And the balcony comes with 2 very comfy chairs and a table, and then if you just want to see the view, this is our view. It's a lovely view of like the other hotels and the lake. So that's the end of our room tour. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more Hilton room tours or Diamond Resort room tours and resort tours, please subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye!